Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a video featuring the JACKLYN Hill palette because we need more JACKLYN Hill palette videos. I will be using her palette today because I can. If you open it, it's really dirty, but that's okay. It's loved. I'm dipping into this color. Okay, next we're gonna go in with a slightly darker color. I'm going in with this shade right here.
I'll be focusing that beneath on my face and a little bit lower.
Okay, and then next we're gonna go in with some green color, and we're gonna focus that on the outer
Edge.
I'm going in with that same transition color, the darker one, and then I'm gonna blend that out. So I'm going to be taking the first transition shade we used, and I'm just going to be blending it in. So next I'm just going to be cleaning up that mix right there. This is the MAC 191 brush, so I really like it for, like, you know, cleaning up the sides of your eyes because it has that exact length. Okay, next for my crease shade, I want to go in with something. I want to go in with something a little different, and I was gonna go in with that beautiful green over here. But I'm thinking, I want to do something different. So I'm thinking, and I don't know if this will work, but maybe I can go in with a red. You know, who knows? We're gonna try. We're gonna try, and we're gonna cover it up with concealer if it doesn't work. So we're going in with this. Where is it? This red right here, and we'll see. We're gonna go do a little Christmas action, you know, since it is what, June. What you think? Think it's good? I kind of like it. Honestly, from here, I don't really know what to do, but we'll see. Let's add a little bit more of that, like, green shade, the same green shade we used on the crease, and we'll just try to blend that into the red. I actually think that worked pretty well. Yeah, good. Like, I do have my concealer and foundation and everything on already, and even my brows, because we're gonna do a highlight on my eyebrow bone. We're gonna be taking the color here. So just take a lot of that, and we're gonna do a brow bone highlight. We're going to do the same thing, but in the tear duct in the inner corner. Yeah. And then now we're going to be doing the lower lash. There's another pencil brush, it's clean. And we're going to take that green army green shade, and I'm going to be lining from my outer high to my mid. And stop there, you know? And then I'll be blending this out with, this is just a flat brush, a flat fluffy brush. I'll take that, remember the very first transition shade we used? I'm just going to be taking that and blending that green. This is like a really tiny flat brush. We can use that. We'll go in with this red shade in the palette, and we're gonna use that to... Okay, so my camera died. Before I got to show you, I did use this matte red shade for like the inner to here, underneath my eyes. And I did do my lashes and everything. I didn't do falsies because I like my lashes. So I'll be right back with my contour and everything, and I'll see you later. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it if you did, and subscribe down below. Support me, please. Let us support each other. And thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. My name is Sahar, and remember, always choose happiness.